Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to share with you such a beautiful centerpieces. All the ideas are very unique, beautiful and looking so adorable. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. So keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.